my bloodstream, salinity in the sky. Clouds hang like relics, no prayers of mine.
An angel that wants to fly.
I walk into the void.
It makes me feel alive.
Inside,
the hard rain falls, it carves into my skin. A tempest mirrors all the void within.
I'm standing in the downpour, all alone.
Again, the storm reflects the emptiness within.
The only thing I know.
Make it rain.
Let it rain, let it rain, let the thunder pain
Fill my veins.
lightning falling way too close. I don't run.
I want the ghost.
Every strike feels close to you.
In the eye of the void, where the wild winds wane,
I don't pray for the sun
I summon the dark wind.
and dying rain. Leaders of Avcro, cathedral of pain, sing like a choir in the rain.
Thundering lullabies.
Vibrates and strikes my body.
Every chill runs fire through my veins.
Every prayer
Is for you.
make it rain. Let it rain, let it etch me arcane.
In a chapel of rain.
If the heavens collide